The patent TB-FW50 offers easy one-handed engagement of the freewheel, which makes your job easier and convenient. Sometimes your cassette lock ring can really be seized, and for that, Super B's made the freewheel removal tool. Similar to channel locks, you just use this knob to adjust for the cog size. Lock it on. It's not going anywhere. Now that your freewheel removal tool is on, you want to move it to the correct position, 3 o'clock. And you want to figure out what kind of cassette lock ring you have. Super B makes 2 cassette lock ring tools. They make the TB-FW30 for Shimano, or for SRAM. And then they make the TB-CP15 for Campagnolo. They're slightly different, so you want to make sure you use the right one. For this wheel, we are using a Shimano lock ring, so we're going to use this tool. And again, you want to put it in the 9 o'clock position. So we have 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock. And then, like my friend in Switzerland, Lulu likes to say, use gravity as your friend. Put your hands on the tools and take off the lock ring. The TB-FW50 freewheel removal tool offers superior engagement, and it's a great choice if you have a seized lock ring.